Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you basically how to make photo into a cartoon in Canva. So as you can see right here, I've chosen this picture, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna extend it to make it more clear to you guys. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right here and to scroll a little bit down. You're gonna see on your left the tools. Scroll a little bit down and then click on apps. Basically in the apps section you're gonna find many templates that you can use to amplify this cartoon to your photo. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just wait it out for a few moments right here. Okay, I'm gonna just wait, and as you can see right here, this is the search for cartoon, right? Cartoonify, and afterwards you're gonna see right here the relevant. So go ahead and click on it. You're gonna see the search results. Go ahead and click on the Cartoonify, right? Basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna apply this Cartoonify to the to the photo, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead and hit like open right here. So as you can see right here, it says add a photo that you want or your design. So I'm gonna, let's say for example, I'm gonna choose something from my library. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and add something from my library right here, and I'm gonna just go and let's say for example that I want something. Let me click on my downloads. Let me click on my downloads, and let's say I want something like this, right? So I'm gonna cartoonify that image that I just downloaded right here. It used to be you can just apply it to your designs right here, but now you should like add the file from your desktop and then basically place it in the Cartoonify. So it's okay, we added from our file, and now we're gonna wait for a few moments right here, and then we're gonna get back to you. And as you can see right here, the final design, you're gonna see that photo change to a cartoon right here. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.